doesn't have any penalizations. Aj keď nemala penalizáciu, žiadny trest, žiadne trestné sekundy, tak je to čas 116.01 a Piňatová ostáva na prvej pozícii 110.15. Kde nám klesla Hejová, tá dostala 2 sekundy penalizácie dodatočne, takže nám klesla na 6. pozíciu. The Chinese boat, Yanwan He, additionally received 2 seconds penalty, that's why she drops to 6th place. And on second is right now Sarah Crosby, third Hélène Lumière. How about Starbip 86? And that's Sophia Alver, Great Britain, with 2 touches from gates 2 and 11. And she's 10 seconds slower than Piňa in for speed time. And another touch on gate 13, tak a vidíme ešte tá precízna práca na 14. Podobná Eskimov by gate 14. And there is definitely touch. She was very quick up, but anyway, she lost some time and even there is a touch. So overall, she has 10 seconds penalties on her account. And it seems to me that it's no final chance. There is right now half a minute down. Už je pol minúty za Piňatovou na druhom medzičase. Takže bohužiaľ Alferová nebude jazdiť tu v Mikuláši svetové finále. Ešte posledná protivodná bránka. Medzi tým Polka Hanna Daňeková už je na trati s dotykom na bránke 5. A potom pôjde obhajkyňa titulu. A tu si určite vychutnáme. Bára Galušková.